Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Tesla stock rose 3.8% on Friday, with volume and turnover slightly higher than the previous trading day, but the stock price has returned to above the 5-day moving average, which is a positive sign, because in the past week, it seems that long funds have flowed into the stock and blocked short selling. Technically, bulls may push the stock price further up, but some data show that its upside may be limited. The data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock ranged from 6% to 8% from August 27th to 29th, but on August 30th, this ratio rose to 10.5%. This reflects that some investors may be worried that the stock price will fall after a surge, so they have increased bearish sentiment. In fact, this concern is not unreasonable, because the resistance above the current price is indeed not small. After the stock closed on August 30th, a lot of trading volume increased between $204 and $214, indicating that long capital entered the market and tried to block the shorts. This is one of the reasons why I am mildly bullish on the stock, but the bulls and shorts may have a fierce showdown next, and the battlefield may be between $214 and $220. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock had a large amount of chips sold on the morning of August 22nd, August 26th, and August 27th, which led to a continuous decline in the stock price, and these positions will also bring great resistance to the rebound of the stock price. The stock rebounded strongly after falling to $202 during the intraday trading on August 28th, but there were still some short selling in the market in the afternoon trading on August 29th, but the bulls began to protect the market the next day and pulled the stock price back to $214. But the problem is that when the stock price is low, the market does not generate much trading volume, which means that there is not much capital flowing into the market, so even if the bulls continue to challenge the shorts later, it may still lose. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of this stock. We can see that after experiencing 3 trading days of continuous capital net outflow, the stock began to have a net inflow of capital on August 29th, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price, proving that capital has entered the market and driven the rebound of the stock price. But it is worth noting that the net inflow amount of the stock in the last 2 days is not large, which reflects that while a large amount of capital has entered the market, a lot of capital has also flowed out of the market. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of this stock. We can see that the positions of the stock between $204 and $214 have increased a lot after 4 trading days of consolidation, so the stock price can rebound. But there are more positions distributed above the current price, and the nearest resistance position is at the level of $217, and the higher resistance position is at the level of $220, so the stock's rebound road is not smooth. But as mentioned earlier, I have seen that capital has recently entered the market and tried to block the shorts, so I predict that the battlefield between the bulls and the bears will move up, that is, between $214 and $220. If the stock price can stand above $220, then it may rise further, and of course, a price action that forms a double top structure is also possible. If the stock price fails to touch $220 and there is a lot of selling and the stock price falls, then the situation is not optimistic. But now, the bulls will challenge the bears again no matter what, but whether it will succeed or not remains to be seen. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for Tesla stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.